before we get started with today's video, hope you're liked and subbed. It has been quite some time since I've been back on YouTube. I took a very long break and I'm so sorry about that. But let's get back into the editing on this video. So, uh, I know a lot of people want to play VR on their phone, and right now it's pretty advanced, I would say, but it could get advanced in the future. So, if you want a good way, but you don't have a strong phone with you, I recommend you do this. So on your PC, type up Steam VR on the store, like VR. Where is Steam VR? Oh, Steam VR. I'm so dumb. But yeah, Steam VR right here. It is free. It's also really, really good. So yeah. Then what you want to do is go onto Google and type up. I think it's called Iron VR server. So you go onto the iron.com, scroll all the way down for VR. Now you download it. Since I already have it, I'm not gonna download it and do the thing, but it's a normal setup. So then because I already have it, let's just go all the way here. Mind all of this stuff. It's right here. So I'm gonna connect it to my phone, which I'm gonna actually start recording like now to display it on the screen. Screen record. Okay, there we go. So as you can see right now is my screen on my phone. Pretty basic. Uh, Iron VR. It should connect when I have to start up Steam VR, launch Steam VR. So let Steam VR launch and stuff. That while we're letting that launch up, we're gonna go all the way back to the VR server. It takes some time to connect. I don't know why. Another faster way you can do that is put a USB port into your laptop and put it into your phone. That works extremely well, but I do it off Wi-Fi, so it takes quite some time. So I'm of course gonna blur this off a little bit just now because it leaks my name, and I don't want my name being leaked. So yeah. While this tries to connect in the meanwhile, let's talk about today's sponsor. So today's sponsor is GOG, a server just for Steam. Now, if you want some high premium Steam games, but you can't afford it, head over to GOG. We have your back, and I think that's pretty much the script. It's a very bad script. I'm gonna have to update that. So yeah, this is not starting to thing. So in the meanwhile, what we can do here is update our versions. Of course, Discord pulls up, and if we go on to here, developer, debug commands, and you have all of the debug commands here, which I mean is pretty good. Oh, there, it finally connected. So as you can see, you can put it into your normal VR box. Look up there, all nicey, nice, nice, nice. I would of course put this on like the side. It works extremely well with games, considering it is high quality. So yeah. Now I'm gonna end the thing on here. Send that to myself. So yeah, it is a quick tutorial and stuff. I'm gonna of course have to change that, all of that. It's a very quick tutorial. I'm gonna show you some nice games to use. So Rec Room is of course very good. You're gonna need some tracking software, which here comes in Pino, I guess, or Vino. I don't know. Yeah, Pino FBT. So we're gonna go back into Google. We're gonna type up Pino FBT. It's on the Microsoft Store. So you can go onto the Microsoft Store. Let's go onto the Microsoft Store. And then we're gonna type up. Why do I search up? Wow, I have some pretty interesting searches, but I'm gonna blow this up, of course. We're just gonna type up uh Pino FBT. Wow, this is so helpful. This is so helpful. Like it showed up what I needed. So it's not gonna work. Just go into here, Pino FPT, free download. It's a dual tracking and also normal tracking. It's pretty good, pretty good. So yeah, we can head out of here, and that's it. Everything is done for you. Have some fun, guys. Make sure you have plenty of fun gaming, and see you in the
Okay
next video.
guys, so at the end of the video, mind why I said have plenty of fun gaming, but not only that, I want you guys to head over to the description of this video and join GOG. It's a pretty cool server, I recommend, and see ya.